This is the MXR Bass DI Plus. If you play bass and do a lot of recording, you really can't be without this pedal. It's also great for live applications. The Bass DI Plus at its basic level gives you clean and distorted tones, but it goes much deeper than that. You can bypass your amp and go direct into a mixing board for a pure bass sound. Let's take a look. The Bass DI Plus gives you two channels of tone enhancement. The clean channel for simple EQ enhancements and the distortion channel for crunchy grunge. While the clean mode is active, bass, mid, and treble adjustment knobs give you control over the EQ. The clean volume knob gives you control of the overall effect level, and the color switch activates a preset EQ optimized for bass. The distortion mode also uses the bass, mid, and treble knobs for signal EQ, and while in this mode, the color switch automatically defaults to on regardless of switch position. Distortion mode also features a volume knob to control effect level, a blend knob to mix the distorted and clean signal, a gate switch and trigger knob that work interactively to provide an adjustable noise gate, and a gain knob to set the distortion level. Both clean and distortion modes feature a phantom ground switch allowing the mixing board to power the pedal. In addition to the standard 1/4-inch input and output, the Bass DI Plus features a parallel output for signal splitting applications and an XLR output for going direct to the mixing board. It also features 3 stage-ready LEDs and can be powered by a 9-volt battery, AC adapter, or the phantom power option. What all this means is that you can get pure bass tones for recording in a clean or distorted mode without any additional signal noise. And you have the option of use with an amp for live situations. Here it is bypassed. Now with the Bass DI Plus. For this demo, we're going to go direct so that you get a sense of the purity of this pedal. Let's start with a clean setting with the color switch engaged to get a sense of the predetermined EQ. Now let's leave the settings the same and switch over to the distortion mode for a 90s metal vibe. Now let's turn up the mids and blend in a touch more of the natural bass signal for a classic distorted bass tone. Well, there you have it. The Bass DI Plus from MXR. Gives you a wide range of control over your tone with direct-to-mixing console capabilities and clean and distorted options.